Having trouble with WhatsApp on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to quickly contact WhatsApp support right from your iPhone. Method 1. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the settings from the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. Find the help option. Then tap on it. Next, tap on Help Center. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Contact Support. In this text field, type your reason like Hello WhatsApp Support Team. My WhatsApp account has been banned. I believe this may be an error. I have always used WhatsApp responsibly. Please review and consider unbanning my account. Then make sure to include your name, email, and WhatsApp number at the end and then tap Next from the top right. Method 2. Open up the Safari browser. After that, tap on the address bar. Type WhatsApp Support. Then tap Contact WhatsApp. Now, if you're using WhatsApp Messenger account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Now scroll down. Enter your WhatsApp number here. Then enter your email address in this field. Enter the email address again in the next field to confirm. Next, choose your device like an iPhone. Then scroll down. Now write your problem in this field. Then WhatsApp support will review your appeal and then they will send your feedback within 3 to 7 days. That's how you can connect WhatsApp support on iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.